Happy Monday, friends! Welcome to Mondays with Marvin. I'm Lisa, this is Marvin, and today we are going to show you how to make some pom-poms with just some yarn, toilet paper rolls, and scissors. We are also going to use a paper plate just to catch bits and pieces that we strip off. So let's get started. Marvin, I'm going to put you on the side so that you stay safe, okay? All right. We will need 2 toilet paper rolls. Now, if you have one big paper towel roll, that's fine. You can cut it in half and make 2 smaller ones. All we need to do is take our yarn, and today I chose yellow because I know Marvin likes bananas. And I'm just going to take this and I am going to wrap it around my rolls. Now, the more yarn you add, the thicker your pom-pom will be. Now, I'm going to cut off a long piece, just like that, and I can put this on the side. Now what I need to do is I need to take my yarn and I need to make it into a knot. So I just put it under my yarn. See how I have that line right there? I just stuck it under. I'll show you again. I just put my fingers underneath, kind of made a little space for me to take my yarn and just pull it through. And then I'm going to just add a little knot to it. That's all you need to do for this part. So pull it through and tie a little knot. See how it is right there? Now I can just take off my cardboard, and then I take this and I'm going to wrap it around the rest of my yarn. So you see how I have kind of like a circle here? I'm going to take this and I'm going to wrap it all the way around. See how I made it into like a little bow? I'm going to wrap it all the way around, and then I'm going to tie that into a tight knot. That is what's going to hold our pom-pom together. So you might want to ask an adult for help with this part. So now I have my little ball here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fingers and kind of like wrap it around so only the top part of my ball shows, and then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut through my ball. So after I cut it, I will have all these little pieces. And I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I find my little hole that's in there and then I just cut through. Now I can fluff it up and you will see how I have some longer pieces sticking out? I don't want those longer pieces sticking out. So what I'm going to do is that's when I have my little paper plate here and my scissors, and I'm just going to snip them off. Here we go. I'm just going to go around and kind of fluff up my pom-pom. So here we go. Now I made other pom-poms as well. I made a multicolored pom-pom and I made a pink pom-pom. And see how my pink one is a little bit smaller than my multicolored one, and my multicolored one is a little smaller than my yellow one. You can make these in all different sizes and colors. You can turn them into earrings. You can turn them into a necklace. You can make these pom-poms and you can string them together and hang them on your wall. Maybe you want to make them your favorite colors. Maybe you want to use them for a birthday party. The possibilities are endless. Marvin and I hope you enjoyed making pom-poms with us today. Remember to have fun, be safe, ask an adult for help when you need it, and look on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn for more fun GrapeSEED ideas. Marvin and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.